Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1973 Monte Carlo. This car here has a 350 under the hood, the power steering, nice and clean. We've got front disc brakes on this car with rear drums. I'm gonna be walking around pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. I'll be looking for rust, dents, scratches, Bondo, anything that I see, I will point it out. This one's got dual exhaust around the back. Car actually looks pretty straight looking down the side. We're gonna start up here in the front. The bumper here does have light scratches on it. It is not in perfect shape. Some pitting. Come over this front end. Looks pretty clean. Looking down the side of the car, it's pretty straight. Tires are in great shape, American racing wheels. See the brakes showing off throughout the wheel. Do got some chips popping up here. Trim looks pretty good around the window. Got some light dents on top here. You can see them. I'll try to zoom in. Give you a good idea. Crack in the paint right here. There's a bubble in the paint right there. And a crack in the back here. Let's check the bottom of the doors. There's a bubble popping up. Same with right here. A little bit of rust trying to come through. You've got bubbles popping up right through here. Trying to make them pop up in this camera. Back window looks pretty awesome. Looks like the trim's got a few little dents in it. Same with back here. This has been dented up pretty good. Pitting popping up around the tail lights and the bumper, not in perfect shape. Weather stripping on this car looks pretty good. It's already been replaced. They glued the mat down, so I can't actually look up under it. I was trying. Let me see if I can get something up here. Golly. Glued it everywhere. Here we go. I'm just ripping it up so we can actually look up under here. They didn't put it in the best anyways. It's solid. It looks pretty good. All right. Let's check out the package tray. We'll go ahead and shut this trunk. Shuts pretty easy. Lines up good. Got some bubbles popping up under the paint. There's some rust right there. Got some dents in the trim. Tires look pretty good. A little scratch in the paint right there. And there's some bubbles popping up here. Trying to make them pop up. There's a dent in the door there. Right here in the center. I don't know if it's popping up or not. This paint job's probably trying to hide a lot of stuff from the camera. Just scratch right there and there. Checking the bottom. Looks pretty good. Light scratch on this fender here. All right, guys, made it all the way around this vehicle. We're gonna go ahead and check the interior out now. Old buzzer's working. Let's go ahead and start it up, see if we can get that to stop. We're gonna check the bottoms of the doors real quick. Door panel itself looks pretty good. It's sagging a little bit here in the front. Well, it's not sagging, it's kind of bulging out. Weather stripping looks pretty good around the door. Checking the bottom of the door here. The jamb looks pretty good. Back seat, that's in good shape. Baggage tray needs to be redone. Headliner looks pretty good. The seat's not in bad shape. This part up here needs to be redone. There's a hole. Somebody's painted blue. Go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works on this one? Sit off in here. Radio's working. AC. Blower motor's not even kicking on this one. Wipers. Yep, they work. Horn. It works. Showing 81,000 miles on the dash. Hard to stand behind because it's a 73 model. Motor's nicely quiet on this one. Demon carburetor sitting on top. We're gonna go ahead and shut this hood down here. A little stiff, so you're gonna have to rock it to keep from bending the hood. If you don't rock it, it will bend the hood. It's good. And it shut down pretty easy. Lots of curves on this one. All right, guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. Also, check out maplemotors.com. We got financing and shipping information, close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Once you've checked all that out, you should know everything about these cars. We try our best to go over them with 2 videos, a walk around and a test drive, and giving you those pictures. If you have to have more information, give me a call, 615-822-4444. We'll do our best to help you out. I do appreciate you watching, and thanks again, guys. Be looking for that test drive video. It'll be located the last 30 seconds of this video, or you can just type in 1973 Monte Carlo Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar. I appreciate you watching. Y'all have a good one.